Alright folks, so I have a huge update. I want to give a shout out to my friend Kevin, who just sent over this plane crash. A small plane lands on I-355 near Bolingbrook, which is near Chicago. This just happened today, okay? And today is the day leaving 355 days in the year. So all you doubters out there, what are the chances that a plane crash lands, which doesn't happen often, and he crash lands on 355, and it's 355 days left in the year, the day he does it? I mean, come on, just think about that. And then it reminded me, oh shoot, earlier in the year, I was decoding a movie that came out last year on January 7th, 2022, called The 355. And guess what this is about, guys? It's about secret agents from all these countries, women, to be exact, women special agents who are trying to save the world from a device that can hack any electronic device. And the very beginning of this movie, the 355, guess what happens? A freaking plane falls because he hacks it with his device. And then he proceeds to knock out power to the whole city of Bogota, Colombia. So I want you guys to just think about this now. You have a plane landing on 355 days left in the year, and this is 1 year and 3 days after the movie 355 came out, about a device that hacks planes and power grids and banking systems and blockchains or whatever, anything electronic. Okay? And here it is, guys, 3 injured. And what's been the big number lately? Because who was hurt in the Buffalo Bills game? It was Damar Hamlin, who wears number 3. Okay? And what's interesting is I've been talking about possibly a plane crash for Biden on January 13th, Friday the 13th. Okay? And what's interesting is this movie, The 355, is all about women. And if Biden were to go, then Kamala, the woman, would take over. And I want you guys to notice that from Kamala Harris's date of birth, October 20th, 1964, it's to January 13th, the day I think it might happen, is 21269 days. And that breaks down in prime numbers to 355, just like the 355, just like the plane landing on 355. I mean, come on, guys. What are the chances? And remember, today is exactly 1 year and 3 days, like the 13, kind of like I'm talking about Friday the 13th. And on that day, Kamala's age breaks down in prime numbers to the 355. Okay? And last but not least, guys, The guy who directed this movie, The 355, Simon Kinberg, is a direct match in all 4 ciphers to Pray for Damar, number 3, remember, who got knocked out of the game at the beginning of this year. And it's interesting that this phrase is the phrase you see everywhere. You see it all over the internet. The beginning of the year was all about this Damar thing, and it's a direct match to the director of this movie, Simon Kinberg. Also notice that Simon Kinberg has the 188, which is the same as cyber attack. In that movie that he directs, the weapon that they use is a cyber attack weapon. So what are the chances that he directs a movie about cyber attacks and his name equals 188 like cyber attack? I also want you guys to notice that plane crash equals 173, and if you type the name of the movie out the way they say it, the 355, it equals 173, just like plane crash. And again, that movie starts out with a plane crash, and it's called 355, and now we've had a plane crash on 355, 5 days left in the year. So anyways, guys, I don't know how much more clear I can be. I hope you guys understood. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all you guys. Much love. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.